Hey guys, it's Pauline, and so I am back with another couple of orders that came in. So let's take a look at them. So I think this is just, oh okay, monthly sticker fun. So this is my monthly kit. So let's take a look at it. I really like their packaging. Look at that, isn't that cute? It's so cute. And then let's take a look at what I received this month. Look at the vellum. So that's reflective, really cute. And you may hear some fireworks in the background. Today is 4th of July. This is the vellum piece. Very cute. This one. Oh, I like this. You got the dates, but on little sunflowers. Very cute. And then, are these little stickers? Look like it, yes. And then these are more stickers. And then some postage stamp-like stickers. Very cute. You know, you get a lot. So, I think I paid $17 for this. And, get a lot for this. I'm happy. Fun and fluttery. Isn't that super cute? All right, so that's that one. Okay, and now we're gonna take a look at, I think I bought some clearance items, is what this is. Again, look at the box, isn't that cute? Even though it's kind of beat up. Look at that, I love the packaging. Trying to make sure there's nothing in there. Yes, so this was on sale. It wasn't like super cheap, but it was on sale. So I picked this up. I thought this was cute. And it's got kind of like that vegan leather. Very nice, very soft, very pliable. I like this. Okay, very pretty. All right, and we'll take a look at this one. Now these two notebooks, they came as a set, and it was pretty reasonable. I want to say it was like $15, which, you know, as far as notebooks goes, that's pretty good. Isn't that cute? All right, and then we got some washi. Her washi is really, really cute too. I have some Coffee Monsters Co. that's coming, but it's on pre-order, and so they said it's probably gonna be about 3 months. But this is really cute too. I got that. I want to say these were on clearance. And then I got this one. It was hard to pick which ones I wanted. All of them were cute. And then I'm not really a kawaii type person, but these are really cute. And then this one, I really like this one too. It's got gold foiling on it. It's really cute. All right, and then we got, I have this, but I'm gonna need more. So I picked up another one. Then let's see. Sorry, this is really like clinging to itself. I'm having a hard time getting it out. Okay. All right, so let's see what this looks like. So it's reflective paper. It's stickers. That's cute. You can hardly see it, but it's cute. And then I love this gold foiling. Hopefully you can get a good sense of what that looks like. All right. And then we have these. Very nice. And then these stickers are too cute. Wish I had more of this. It's really cute. And then we got washi strips. And then we got more stickers. Isn't that just the cutest? And more stickers. All right, and then they have a little binder, which this looks almost exactly like what I bought off Temu. It's just not as, this is more decorated, but it looks like the exact same thing I got off of Temu. And we don't have the inserts, but I'm guessing the ones from Temu will go in there. Let's see if I have some that I can pull right quick. Give me a second. All right, yeah. So this is the one from Temu that I got. It's like the exact same thing. Let me see. So, oh, it goes this way. So I got my stickers in there. I got my dividers. Yeah. So it's the exact same thing. So I can get the little inserts from Temu. All right. And I do really like this. It's a inexpensive way to keep up with dies and stamps. It is starting to bend a little bit. So there's that. Anyway, that is what I had to share. All right, guys, that's all I had to share today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.